All right, so I ordered the Motobox Sport Plus exhaust for my 2026 Tuono 660 factory. Just opened the box. This is how it comes. They pack it nicely in paper. I don't know if they maybe put like a high temperature black paint on after they finish, but it looks pretty seamless. You know, if they go in there and dig around or reorganize and reroute everything, they do a pretty good job of it. Very clean, no dents, no damage, no nothing. So I'm gonna install that soon, and we'll get a sound clip of it. So yeah, looks good so far. All right, so the Sport Plus Motobox USA exhaust installed. Of course, you can't tell other than the little bit of black paint that it has on it because it's an Aprilia exhaust, just modified. Shout out to Josh Alvarez at Motobox USA. Very cool person to deal with. Let's start it up and see what we get. Stock exhaust, engine's warm start. Sounds all right, but it's pretty quiet. Alrighty here, cold start with the Motobox USA Sport Plus on a 2026 Tuono Factory 660. Let's see.